Welcome to Spanos Antics. We are on the way to the rolling road. It's not for a tune-up, more of a safety check. Before street weekend, I want to make sure that my VVTi is working, my fuel-air ratios are correct, and just, it's never really been looked over by anybody else apart from me, and I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, and also interesting to see what figures it puts out. From the factory, 280 at the flywheel, I think, and about 240 at the wheels. So anything better than 240 at the wheels would be great. Although you obviously want more, but you know. Or 300 at the flywheel would be spanking. So yeah, let's get there. So we are here at Kar Technic to put the car on the rollers. Let's see what she can do. Right, so the other question is, James, with his Skoda Fabia, thinks he can get 300 horsepower at the wheels. So I need something to scare him off with. So if I can get 300 at the wheels, we might have an even race, but I'm not feeling very confident. There she goes. This does sound sweet. I never get to hear it because I'm never always in it. Right, well that is it. The little Volvo did alright. She got 305 at the flywheel, which, considering it's supposed to be about 280 from the factory, we've actually managed to increase horsepower on a stock ECU-ish. Although it has had the Phoenix engine management remap, which is given, he said it'd be about 300 horsepower, so he is bang on the money. So really happy with that. If you're in the Dorset Pool area and you want a rolling road, quick session, check out Kar Technic. They're just down in the Nuffield. Take it easy.